Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a bit of a process video on how I add photos to scrapbook workshops that I've completed and that are waiting to have their pictures put on them. Close to My Heart scrapbook workshop. Now this is the March and April 2021 catalog, so this one just started. We have scrapbook workshops. So here is a paper collection called Daisy Meadows. Super cute. Look at the bunnies and all the things. Oh, it's so sweet. And the paper is really beautiful and very springy. And it comes with coordinating cardstock pack that you can buy. Picture My Life cards. There are Cricut cuts if you're interested in that. And some little Daisy Meadows dots, some just decorative doodads. As you go through here, you come to a page that says Daisy Meadows, and this is the Daisy Meadows Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. Down here, it shows everything that comes in the kit, the stickers, the pattern paper, cardstock, the dots, and it also includes some punch art and some specialty papers that are only available in this workshop kit. You can purchase the workshop kit with page protectors. It comes with 4 top load 12 by 12 memory protectors, or you can buy the workshop kit without. If you happen to prefer a different style of page protector, then you can opt out of those being included in your kit. But look at those page layouts. Aren't they sweet? Love it. This is on my short list. I'm hoping to order this very soon. They're also a card kit, and that's it for the Daisy Meadows. The next one is the Eat, Play, Love. Isn't that pretty? If you like Pioneer Woman, this is very Pioneer Woman-y to me. But anyway, this was a kit available in a previous catalog. My guess is it was the September-October catalog, and I put together all of the page layouts, and they've been waiting for photos. So I'm going to just go ahead, film myself adding the photos. I will probably speed it up and add some music so you can see the process. I went through and I cut each of the photos down because when you're making them, when you are making the layouts, it does include the place photo here, little placeholder, and it tells you the size of the photo so you know how to trim your pictures. And there are 3 2-page layouts, so there are 6 pages in all, and I'm going to get started. Enjoy. Here you can see the 2-page layouts. Aren't those pretty? I love those vibrant colors. I think, well, maybe it goes this way. I think it goes this way. Again, beautiful 2-page spread. And here's another one. Isn't that pretty? Lovely. All I have to do is add a little journaling and I'm done. So this is the beauty of taking advantage of the Close to My Heart scrapbook workshop kits. They give you beautiful, custom looking, gorgeous layouts. You don't have to do any of the thinking. You just have to follow the directions. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.